Enganzi Robina yagambye babuya bari omujenyi mukuru mukoro gukworeka obumanyi omukuteekesa amashanyarazi mushomo gwa COP28 oguru kuhindura omu kibuga ekya United Arab Emirates ekya Dubai. Nabanja yayoreka ngu abantu 89 hari Ghana nibakoresa enku kandi eki nikishiisha ebyobuhangwa omu Uganda.
Uganda's Vision 2040 aims to create access to clean, affordable and reliable energy. My government shall require 481 megawatts by the year 2040. Access to national grid is envisioned to significantly increase by 80% by the year 2040.
Konka Enganzi nabanja yaja government ya Uganda enshonga ejeriyo negikoraho okureba ngo emihendo y'amashanyarazi yasharwa abantu batandika kukoresa amashanyarazi okukora byone barukora mu maka gabo bachendeza hakutema emiti n'ebindi byobuhangwa.
To address this issue, the government of Uganda has developed a national e-cooking strategy that is aimed at accelerating adoption of e-cooking solutions from the current 1% to 38% by the year 2030.
Nabanja yakoresa kagishaka okushaba abo bona bine mpiha okwijo mu Uganda okusiga sente zabo ngo ahabo kuba Uganda ejwire mugisha yo kushuburiramu.
My government has already put in place incentives such as an attractive tax policy to support local assembly and manufacture of e-cooking appliances. Uganda also pioneered an e-cooking tariff that is aimed at increasing the affordability of electricity for cooking. I therefore call upon the private sector to seize this investment opportunity.
Omushomo ogu cyayoreka kwebera hamwe n'ebindi byobuhangwa biliyoni bichwekerera ahawe miturire y'abantu eyobunyakare.
There are real opportunities that are already being grasped. So Gecko is not suddenly emerging out of nowhere. There was a sense almost in the last panel that this is something new that is just emerging. This is emerging on the back of hard work and labour of bringing this to fruition.
We are working for ordinary citizens because not dealing with this issue has knock-on health effects, knock-on social effects, and knock-on climate and economic effects. And the only way to deal with it is to do it locally.
So I'll conclude by saying that a creative approach to financing e-cooking from the end user to the utility to the appliance financing is how we're going to get there.
Kurjira report ya World Health Organization abakazi n'abana barukurenga emitwaro 2012 nibafa buri mwaka ahabo mwiko gubaru kwisi mu biyungu hamwe n'eyindi myanya. Gashakwa Ismail Kasoha, Dubai.